Hello there to anyone who's watching. Now, today I'm going to show you how to turn your Discord invite link into its own web domain. It's a very simple and easy tutorial, but I've never really seen that many people use their invite link in this way. So let me show you how to. Follow my instructions and we'll begin. Now the first thing you want to do is start by copying your permanent invite link. Now you probably wouldn't want to use a semi-permanent invite link unless it's just for a few friends, but if you're running a more public server then you probably want to use a completely permanent invite link for this portion. So you want to copy this, you'll need it for later. Now the next thing you want to do is go to this website called freenom.com, type that in your browser, and then when you pull it up, the site should look just like this. Now I'm already signed into my account, but I would advise that you probably want to make an account first before you start this. So what I'm going to do is look for a domain name, what I'm going to name my Discord, which I'm just going to name it BSC Discord for Builderscraft Discord. Now I've already selected the web domain that I want to use, but for the .tk at the end, but you can do many other options. You can do .com, .net, but of course you have to pay for those. I'm here to show you how to get it for free, so I'm only going to do .tk and .ga at the moment, but it's up to your guys' choice, whichever one you want. They have many options out there for you guys. Now for this part, you can actually click on the period of time you want it. It's free for up to a year, but right now I'm just going to choose 3 months for each of them because I didn't feel like changing it, but you can pay to keep it longer. Now, from here, you'll enter a menu screen like this. So first thing you want to do is go to Services, click My Domains. As you can see, there goes all the domains that I have, including the ones that I just got. Now, what I'm going to do is you want to go to Manage Domain. Then what you want to do is go to Management Tools and click URL Forwarding, as this is the most important part. Now, if you remember that Discord link that I had you copy, you want to paste it into there, and you want to change it to URL Forwarding, and then you want to save it. Now, you will have to wait about a minute because sometimes it'll take a little bit of time for you to see the results of it. Now, what I'm going to do is type up my domain name, ecsdiscord.tk. Let's put it in my browser, see if it works. Aha, it definitely does. Now, just to be sure for some of you guys that don't have real browsers that autocomplete, what you can do is you can just type in www. before the domain name, and it will work just like as you're typing out the same website for .com. Which we're going to use, and as you can see, it works. Now I'm going to just double check and be sure. Launch it into Discord, and it's connecting to Discord, and as you will see, it will appear, and we are here. I'm going to put my link in the description so that way you guys can check it out for yourself, the same link that I used in this video, and thank you for watching.